All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. Yeah, it's up about 27% in the last 7 days. It's got all kinds of things popping for it. The listing on Binance, the listing on Voyager, all kinds of good stuff. AMP token is definitely pumping. We're going to do a price prediction at the end. I got 3 or 4 other articles to do a price prediction. Kind of going to be interesting because it's right aligned what I've been saying for about a month or two, but we're going to go over that. Also, we're going to talk slightly about the Turkey Inu. Thanksgiving being yesterday. I know today on Friday, some people are still celebrating Thanksgiving today. Well, a lot of times people have to go to 2 different houses or 4 or 5 different houses. So a lot of people are doing the turkey day today. So we're going to talk about a little Turkey Inu at the end of everything. So with that, sit back and relax. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. There's been a lot of stuff going on in 2021 with the cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to AMP token. All right, AMP token is number 69 on CoinMarketCap right this second. It's up 26.42% in the last 7 days. The coin is at over 6 cents. It's up about 1.24% in the last 24 hours. Clicking the coin. Over here to the right, it says it's up 3% in the last 24 hours. It's at 0.611. So here's our chart, what's happened in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, this coin was at 5 cents all the day, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents all the day, 5 cents. And all of a sudden, and boom, it just shot up straight up. Boom, right up 7 cents, 6.5 cents. Okay, so this level has now become a lot higher. It's over 6.1% or 0.674. So take a look at this. So here's my first article, Investor Place AMP Crypto Price Prediction. How high can the red hot altcoin go? Well, it says the alt bull rejoice, the AMP. Crypto is heading to the moon, or at a very least a new 6-month high. Now remember what I've said, that it's going to hit what it hit in June. But right here in this article, it talks about it's going to hit a new 6-month high. So AMP has gained 42% on Tuesday after receiving a listing on one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, Binance. Now you heard that right, on Binance. Now AMP token was on Binance.us, okay, and that's fantastic. That's where I was getting my AMP token. That's probably where a lot of you are getting your AMP token if you didn't live in the United States. But a lot of people across the world buy on Binance, and AMP token just got listed on Binance. It also, this month, also got listed on Voyager. So all kinds of great stuff. Binance is gigantic, all kinds of places to get your AMP token. And the price, as you saw in the article, went up 42%. One of the largest exchanges in the world, Binance, now with the crypto bulls playing ball, where to go next. Also, it says this is a second major listing for the token this month. Voyager added AMP to its exchange less than a week ago, on November 17th. As such, the altcoin has been enjoying a wild month. AMP functions as a sort of a crypto collateral on the Flexa network. In the situation where Bitcoin or Ethereum transactions fail for any reason, AMP can liquidate to cover the transactions to pay the vendor. As such, it seems as sort of a safeguard for crypto payments. So let's see what their predictions are. AMP crypto price prediction to the moon, question mark. Well, AMP currently sitting at 6 cents. CoinGirl believes it's likely to remain around the same price unless it hits a major traction up or down before the end of the year of 2020. However, the site believes AMP could hit as high as 12 cents. They think it could go as high as 12 cents or stay at 6 cents. That's what they're saying. Coin price forecast is ruthless bullish on AMP. The site sees it hitting 12 cents by the end of the year and 22 cents in mid-2022. All right. So you got 12 cents by the end of the year, 22 cents by the mid of 2022, sitting at around 6 cents right now. That would be a 2x by the end of the year. Wallet Investors is a bit more conservative. The site sees AMP hovering around its current price throughout the year, but it believes it could hit 10 cents within a year and 31 cents by the year 2026. So again, AMP crypto price prediction, how high can the red hot altcoin go? So you got all kinds of stuff saying it's going to stay where it's at, but then it came back and said, but it's going to get to 12 cents. You heard 10 cents, you had 12 cents, you heard 30 cents. All kinds of good stuff by what they're predicting and stuff. Also, being Thanksgiving the day after, what do you think about that Turkey Inu? Have you had a chance to go to the website and check it out? I mean, it sounds like it's a pretty good cause, Turkey Inu. We'll come back to that in a little bit. All right, so over here at the AMP Twitter, I got about 3 or 4 things to show you real quick. So right here, this is Binance, retweeted on November 24th. AMP token is a native collateral token in the Flex the Payment Network. Flex is a cryptocurrency payment network that makes it easier for the merchants to accept crypto payments. AMP is next thing here. Did you know that AMP is collateralized to make Flex the payments instant? More than 1.2 billion worth of AMP is currently being staked by people all over the globe to back every Flex the payment. So right here, the $1.2 billion in AMP is right here on the screen. We knew this from a couple days ago. Big announcement. AMP token is now listed on Binance, not Binance.us. It's still on Binance.us, but now it's listed on Binance. And you saw the article how it went up 42%. Well, when the whole world can buy AMP token, what do you think is going to happen? You got it. I mean, it's going to keep chunking and chunking and chunking. I'll give you my prediction at the end here. The next thing, on November 17th, Voyager. Join us to welcome AMP token, AMP to Voyager app. The AMP token acts as the collateral to bring added security to your transactions. Right here, Voyager is now listing the AMP token. You heard the article that there was 2 big listings this month in November. AMP token is doing the right thing, everybody. Want to jump over here to Turkey Inu real quick. What is Turkey Inu? Again, being Thanksgiving yesterday and possibly today for people that are celebrating it. It's a time of the year to give thanks. It's a time to get togetherness and gratitude and to remind us to count our blessings. Suddenly, so many things become so little when we realize how blessed and lucky we are. We give thanks for incredible crypto run in 2021, a world heading towards decentralized finance for the next amazing meme token. Turkey Inu is a great meme token that reminds us to be grateful to each other every day of the year while also earning your big bucks. Built on the Binance Smart Chain as deflationary token, these turkeys have learned how to fly like Doge and Shiba by learning the best with the smart contracts. Buyback mechanisms and reward features will also give back to some of the wonderful charities. Hold Turkey and earn passive income in Shiba Inu. Turkey Inu. Over here at the Turkey Inu Twitter account, it's got turkeys flying to the moon. It says Turkey Inu is the next great meme token that reminds us to be grateful to each other every day of the year by earning your big bucks. Well, everybody, did you get a chance to check out the Turkey Inu on Thanksgiving yesterday or today on Friday? It is pretty interesting. How about that Macy Day's Parade? Did you watch that yesterday? All kinds of good stuff going on for Thanksgiving. It's a great time to be spending time with family, giving thanks, thinking about the memories of all the times past and all the times you're making. So with that, let's go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our price prediction on AMP token today, I've been saying it for months and months, 12 cents. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but here's my thinking. It hit 12 cents back in June when it got listed. Now it's been listed on 2 more platforms. We're going into the busiest season. AMP token is a collateral token for merchants. Merchants are going to have more sales than they've ever had in the next 2 to 3 weeks because of Christmas. Okay, it's the biggest season of the year. And AMP token is going up, up, up. So my price prediction is a solid 12 cents by the end of the year or the first quarter next year. But I do like what that one article was saying, that it could get to 20 or 30 cents. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. So AMP token, give us your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video with a friend. Being Thanksgiving yesterday and today, let's give thanks. Let's be awesome to be with family and friends. Also, we bring you a video every single day, Monday through Friday, around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Friday. Hey, everybody, have a great Thanksgiving for your second day. Fantastic.